Good morning. It is the 17th of February 2024. And in my previous video, I talked about AI Trading Vision, how its live signal had disappeared. And I received a comment from one of our YouTube subscribers to say that demo accounts are no longer allowed in the MQL or the Metatrader marketplace, which I think is a great thing. And what I'm showing you on the screen here is the notification of that. I mean, the thing is, it did come in a forum, and I don't know if an email message was communicated out, but I certainly didn't see any communication about this. It's only because of that message I received from the YouTube subscriber, and doing some searches on Google did I find this. It's a post in a forum, in the official forum. It's from an admin, and it says, along with the release of Metatrader 5 this Friday, so that's a new update with these changes. So support for non-real accounts, demo contest accounts, sent accounts, completely removed. And next step would be this. So, and I think this is a good thing because, as I've said before, quite often demo accounts are not representation of what will happen in a real live money account. Not saying that's always true, of course, but quite often that is true. And what we have seen is a lot of products are being sold with links to the demo accounts to show amazing results. And when they try and replicate the results in a real money account, it doesn't happen. Also, what we have been seeing is, if we're just talking about signals, people were using demo accounts to try copy into live accounts and obviously losing money, not making any money. And this was giving Metatrader a bad reputation. I was reading through some of the comments in here, and I'll put all these links in the description box. You can read through all this. There's also another thread here. Why its ability to use signals has been removed. Just to give you some background, I won't go through all this. But it's a reputational thing as well. Metatrader through signals, and even this marketplace. A lot of people are saying that a lot of scams, lots of products which are not working, not really good for its reputation. Also, there's some really good products in here as well. And what we have seen, especially, and this is one of the reasons why I started this channel initially, were to look out for these scams. And for Metatrader, or MetaQuotes themselves, the company, putting this marketplace out here, which is great for them. They make 20% cut on every single sale, but getting increasingly number of complaints. Plus, it was reputational. A lot of these programmers, they knew how to manipulate it so that the results look fantastic, so they could make backtest results look amazing. And people were buying, and people were complaining, people were not happy. And this is starting to make this whole website seem like a scam. A lot of the top products here have got there not because of the good results, but because of manipulation of backtest results. So I think all this stuff, closing down the demo accounts and some of the steps which they're making towards this is a good thing. You should also think to yourself, if a trading robot is that good and charging that amount of money, why would the trading author be showing you the results on a demo account? Why wouldn't they be putting in a lot of money to prove to you that their trading robot works and can make money? Does it not tell you something if they're just using a demo account or using a small account? They must be knowing something that you don't know, or that they're hiding, right? I mean, just got to use some common sense around this. I just want to show you this one here. I did buy this product from this author, and he had a signal. And like I said, it said more than the last time it was updated was a long time ago. But when I saw this, it was 4 years of live results, and it was a demo account. And at that time, I didn't know, so I bought this. I paid around this amount. I don't think this has changed for a long time, but I'm glad to see that this is not here anymore, because a lot of people will click on the links and see, wow, 4 years of results. So I bought this. I remember buying this, and thinking that I could duplicate these results on a live account, and I couldn't, because it does not work on a real account. See that one too? There are 2 links here, and they both have been removed. And I think this is a really good thing to clean up the website, clean up the fake products which don't make any money. And I'm not saying that all these products for this author are not good. I mean, there are quite a few in here which do have live accounts. All these ones which still exist, still make money, but the ones which have the crazy growth have been removed because they're fake. So it's worthwhile looking through all the products again. Let's see if there are. I think once again another one. It's good to do that. Good to go through the market see if there are ones which, okay, this is live, that's fine. Yeah, so just do that. Go through the marketplace again. Maybe the ones in the past you looked at and thought, oh, maybe I should look at this. Go through again, see if the link still works, because the chances are, if it was a demo account, it's gone. As I mentioned, you should only trust the real money live accounts. Of course, the next thing is brokers. Not all brokers are the same. Regulated brokers are much better than non-regulated brokers, of course, but I appreciate that's not available to everybody. But there should be a list of scam brokers. MetaQuotes, the guys who make Metatrader, the owners of this website, they should have a way to rat out the scam brokers. That should be the next thing, because what we have also seen is real money accounts with scam brokers. Scam brokers are able to manipulate the results on live accounts. They can retrospectively change the results that are seen. So that should be also the next step. There should be a list of clean brokers, ones which we know can be trusted, and all the other ones, all the scam ones, should also be removed from the Signal service. So that's just my 2 cents, my update for this morning. Speak to you later.